Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use a very useful website for students in paralegal technology. Indeed, Legis Quebec is a must to all students who, like me, are in this field of study. In this program, you will learn how to write a procedure, how to make a law research, you will understand how to read the laws, and this website is essential to access to the laws. If you don't know it yet, every law code is expensive. For students who don't earn a lot of money, Legis Quebec is a good way to save money because it is completely free and really easy to access. So, I will now show you how to use this website. First of all, you need to write the name of the website in the address bar. You click on the first link. Okay, once you're on the website, if you scroll down a little, you can see the most access statute and regulation. You can easily access to the most common laws like the Civil Code of Quebec and the Criminal Code. If you click on Consolidated Statutes, you will have every statute classed by alphanumeric. This way you will be able to search the statute you want to see and you will not lose any time. Another interesting thing is, for example, you are searching an article in the Civil Code of Quebec. You can do Control F and this appear, and you can, for example, write the article 85, and you are now ready to read the article. This way you will save time because there are a lot of articles, and trust me, you don't want to waste your time with this. Another great thing about this website is that beside the table of content here, you will see every regulation that are connected with the Civil Code, and it is that way for every statute. The table of content is also great if you don't know the article and if you don't really know what you're looking for. You can see right here. You have every book, every title, and it's easy to search. And finally, I strongly recommend you this website because it's really easy to use and it's free. And you can have access whenever you want.